Welcome back to Tech Review Zone. If you're looking for the best gaming mechanical keyboards to improve your typing speed, gaming performance, and desk setup, you're in the right place. Today we've selected the top 5 best mechanical keyboards based on switch technology, RGB lighting, wireless connectivity, hot-swappable features, and overall value. Whether you're a competitive gamer, casual player, or keyboard enthusiast, there's a perfect keyboard on this list. Let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the AULA F108 Pro Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. This premium keyboard features tri-mode connectivity, allowing you to switch between wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless modes with ease. It stands out with its TFT smart display, customizable multi-knob controls, and vibrant RGB lighting. Designed for esports and productivity, the F108 Pro offers a comfortable typing experience and flexible customization options. Its combination of modern features and stylish design makes it an excellent choice for gamers and power users. Coming in at number 4 is the YUNZII IC75 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. This 75% compact keyboard is designed for users who want a balance between portability and functionality. It features hot-swappable switches, a gasket-mounted structure, and smooth creamy typing acoustics for a premium typing feel. The cute cake-inspired design and RGB backlighting add a unique aesthetic touch, while compatibility with Windows, Mac, and gaming setups makes it highly versatile. For users seeking a stylish and customizable compact keyboard, the YUNZII IC75 is a great option. Taking the number 3 spot is the RK Royal Kluge R75 Gasket Mechanical Keyboard. This 80-key wired keyboard combines a compact layout with RGB backlighting, hot-swappable switches, and MDA PBT keycaps for durability and comfort. The gasket-mounted design helps reduce typing vibrations and provides a smoother keypress feel, making it suitable for both gaming and long typing sessions. With its sturdy build quality and responsive performance, the R75 is a strong choice for users who want a reliable and comfortable mechanical keyboard. Our number 2 pick is the Attack Shark X85 RGB Mechanical Keyboard. This feature-rich keyboard offers 2.4G tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth support, and full-key hot-swapping, allowing users to customize their switch setup easily. It also includes metal knobs for convenient control of volume and other functions. Compatible with both Windows and Mac, the X85 delivers strong gaming performance, responsive key presses, and customizable RGB lighting. Its combination of wireless flexibility, premium build, and customization options makes it a standout choice for gamers. Taking the top spot is the MCHOSE Jet 75 Magnetic Switch Gaming Keyboard. This advanced gaming keyboard features Hall-effect magnetic switches, providing adjustable actuation and ultra-responsive performance for competitive gaming. With 0.1 milliseconds latency and an 8 kHz polling rate, it delivers exceptionally fast input response. The keyboard also supports hot-swappable customization, RGB lighting, and snap-tap functionality, giving users precise control over their gaming experience. Combining cutting-edge switch technology with premium customization features, the MCHOSE Jet 75 is our number 1 recommendation. That wraps up our top 5 best gaming mechanical keyboards. Which keyboard would you choose for your gaming or typing setup? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and gaming gear recommendations. Thanks for watching Tech Review Zone, and we'll see you in the next video.